Dictionaries in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson you will learn all about dictionaries in Python programming language in detail. So let's start with a simple definition of dictionaries in Python programming language. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is unordered, changeable, and doesn't allow duplicates. Also, dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values, as in this syntax you see. So what is the meaning of unordered? Okay, when we say that dictionary is unordered, it means that the items doesn't have a defined order, and you can't refer to an item by using an index number. Also, what is the meaning of changeable? Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. That's it, simply. And there is a very important point, which is dictionaries can't have two items with the same key. That's it, simply. Now I'll show you a simple example of creating and printing a dictionary called new cars. This dictionary called new cars has 3 items. Each item has a key and a value for that key. For example, for the first key called brand, and its value is BMW. This is the first item, brand BMW. And for the second item, its key is model and its value is X5. For the third item, its key is year and its value is 2017, and we printed the new cars dictionary completely using the print function, as you can see. Let's move to the type method. We can use the type built-in function or method from the Python standard library to print the type of new cars on the screen. Just place the name of the new cars dictionary inside the parentheses of the type function, exactly as follows. We got dict in the output, as you can see, due to using the type function for new cars. Also, to get the number of items that this dictionary called new cars has, we can use the len built-in method. Just type the len method and put the new cars dictionary inside the parentheses of the len method, exactly as follows. This program gave us three items inside the new cars dictionary. 3 items with 3 keys and 3 values. So easy.